In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F56, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. Begin by opening your keyboard and tapping on this gear at the top of it. Now to change its theme, scroll down to hit theme here. Apply the best one by clicking on it and go back. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to try something more interesting, you can always switch your keyboard to Gboard. In order to do that, download Gboard, the Google keyboard from Play Store, launch it, hit Enable in Settings and tap on grey switcher next to Gboard. Then choose OK in Attention pop-up, go back, hit Select Input Method and tap on Gboard here. Now select Done and pick Theme section. Finally, you can click on the best theme for you, manage key borders thanks to this switcher and hit Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. Gboard was successfully applied. If you wish to, you can also customize your Gboard thanks to this icon of a color palette at the top of it, and this plus icon under my themes. Now just click on a photo you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Maybe this one. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move and hit Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done, manage key borders and choose Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!